Good morning, children. Welcome back to English online class. Children, open your textbooks, page number 51. Page number 51. Now see the first Roman. Complete the following statements. Complete the following statements. See the first one. It was because of the efforts of Gandhiji that our country got dash. What our country got? See again the question. It was because of the efforts of Gandhiji. Efforts of Gandhiji that our country got. What our country got is freedom. Write the spelling of here. Freedom. Free. F-R-E-E-D-O-M. Freedom. Okay. Now, baby it. Independence dash freedom. Independence dash freedom. Independence means M-E-A-N-S means. Independence means freedom. Next, see bit. There is a dash of Gandhiji at the junction near our school. There is a dash of Gandhiji at the junction near our school. Junction near our school. మన స్కూల్ యొక్క జంక్షన్లో ఏముందని చెప్పారు? Yes, Gandhiji statue. So here we have to write the spelling of statue. S-T-A-T-U-E. Statue of Gandhiji at the junction near our school. Next, debit. They had no money to dash good and costly dresses. They had no money to buy. B-U-Y. Buy. They have no money to buy good and costly dresses. E-bit. Who dash Gandhiji must love the poor. Who love Gandhiji must love the poor. Who love Gandhiji must love the poor. Once again I am repeating. See children, it was because of the efforts of Gandhiji that our country got freedom. Gandhiji efforts valla mana country ki freedom vachindi. Next, independence means freedom. Independence means freedom. There is a statue of Gandhiji at the junction near our school. Mana school junction lo Gandhiji statue undi ani ee statement annamata. They had no money to buy good and costly dresses. వాళ్ళ దగ్గర మనీ లేవంట. ఎందుకు మనీ లేవు? గుడ్ అండ్ కాస్ట్లీ డ్రెస్సెస్ కొనుక్కోవడానికి. హూ లవ్ గాంధీజీ మస్ట్ లవ్ ద పూర్ వన్. Now turn the page 52. Page number 52. See here, sometimes we join two words to make a single word. If we join two words, it makes a single word. For example, see here children, birth plus day equals to birthday. Birth plus day equals to birthday. So here these are the two words, but it makes one sentence, one single word. ఇక్కడ two words ఉన్నాయి. ఆ రెండు words ని జాయిన్ చేస్తే ఒక సింగిల్ వర్డ్ వస్తుంది అనమాట. అలా వచ్చిన వర్డ్స్ ని మనం ఇక్కడ జాయిన్ చేయాలి. Now match the following words and read them aloud. Okay, now we have to match these words and we have to read. Okay, see children, here is the hand. Word, room, light, ground, loom. What is the sentence to add here to hand? Hand, loom. We have to add, join this loom. చేనేత వస్త్రాలు అంటే చూడండి, దాన్ని హ్యాండ్ లూమ్ అంటాం. నెక్స్ట్, ఫైర్, వుడ్. ఆల్రెడీ it joined. Next, play. Here, light, room, ground. Which one is the correct one? Play, ground. Play, ground. Okay, children. Next, sun. Room or light? Sun, light. It is, we know that. Next, class, room. See here, handloom, firewood, playground, sunlight, classroom. We have to join these words. Okay? We use the past tenses to talk about an action that started in the past and is finished. See here, we use the past tenses to talk about an action. About an action, we are taking the past tenses. An action that started in the past and is finished. Past and is finished. See here, we have read in this lesson. This statement is we have already read in this lesson. He worked for our country. He worked for our country. Here, worked is the second form of the verb work. See, work is the first form and worked is the second form of the sentences. So here, he worked for our country. Here, worked is the second form of the verb. Now, fill in the blanks using second form of the verb. Now we are going to use the second form of the verbs. Gandhiji dash give leadership to the people. Give, we have to write this is a give is the first sentences. What is the second sentences of a give? Gave. Gandhiji gave, G-A-V-E. Gandhiji gave leadership to the people. Next, B bit. We dash get freedom on 15th August. Get, here is the get now. What is the second form of the get? Got. We dash freedom on 15th August. So here we have to write got, G-O-T, got. We got freedom on 15th August. Next, our teachers dash show us the photos of Gandhiji. Our teacher dash show. Show is the first sentences. Now we have to write the second form. What is the second form? Showed. S-H-O-W-E-D. Showed. Our teacher showed us the photos of Gandhiji. Gandhiji photos చూయించారన్నమాట. Next, Gandhiji dash work for our country. He means Gandhiji only worked here. Worked is the second form of work. So here also see like that only work is the first form. Here we have to write the worked. W-O-R-K-E-D. Worked for our country. See, again I am repeating. Gandhiji gave leadership to the people. We got freedom on 15th August. Our teacher showed us the photos of Gandhiji. Gandhiji worked for our country. Next, fifth Roman, simple past tense negative. Here we have to write the negative words. ఇప్పుడు ఎవరైనా తిన్నావా అంటే తినలేదు అని చెప్తారు చూడు, నెగిటివ్ వర్డ్స్ ఉంటాయి చూడు, అలా నెగిటివ్ వర్డ్స్ we have to write. We use did not to make a simple past tense sentences negative. What we have to use? We use did not. Instead of the past tenses, we have to write the did not negative word. First term of the verb. First term of the verb ఉంటుంది కదా, ఆ verb రాయాలి, దాంతో పాటు did not అనేది కూడా వర్డ్ రాయాలి. Now make the sentences negative. Now here we are going to make the sentences as negative word. He brought the book. He brought the book. Here brought is the which sentences? As second form verb sentences. Brought, here brought is the second form. Now what is the first form here? Bring. Bring is the first form. So he, what I told, did not we have to use now. He did not bring the book. Book తీసుకొచ్చాడు అని ఇచ్చారు ఇక్కడ. బుక్ తీసుకొని రాలేదు అని రాయాలి కదా మనం, అందుకని he did not bring the book. Okay. Second one, see children. We went home. We went home. We went home అంటే ఏంటి? మేము home కి వెళ్ళాము అని. Now we have to write the negative sentences. Okay. Negative sentences we have to write here. Here what is the verb? Went. We have to write the first form. We did not go home. W-E. We did not. D-I-D. Did not go home. We did not go home. We went home is a positive word. Here the negative word is we did not go home. Next, C bit. The cat killed the rat. The cat killed the rat. Now we have to write the which word, children? It's a negative word. See here. The cat. Here what is the verb here? Killed. We have to write the first form. We have to write, no, this is the second form. We have to write the first form. The cat did not kill, K-I-L-L, kill the rat, R-A-T, rat. The cat did not kill the rat. Next, I thanked him. I thanked him. Thanked is a verb form. Here we have to write the first form, no? I thanked him. I did not thank him. See here, did not thank, T-H-A-N-K, thank him. Okay, I did not thank him.
Okay, now see the next page, page number 53.
3. Next one. Simple past tenses interrogative. Interrogative means question type. Okay, we use did in the beginning. What we have to use? Did in the beginning. Beginning ante starting untadi kada, akkada em use cheyali? Did. To make simple past tense sentences interrogative. To make simple past tense sentences interrogative. ఏం మేక్ చేయడానికి సింపుల్ పాస్ట్ టెన్సెస్ సెంటెన్సెస్ ఉంటాయి కదా, అవి మేక్ చేయడానికి వీ హ్యావ్ టు యూస్ డిడ్, ఫస్ట్ ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ ద వెబ్. అగైన్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ ద ఫస్ట్ ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ ద వెబ్. These two are the note. First we have to write the did word. Afterwards again we have to write the first form of the verb. Now see here children, 6th Roman. Now make the sentences interrogative. Make the sentences interrogative. First one, he brought the book. In this word, which one is the verb? Brought is the verb. This is a second form verb. He brought the book. Did he bring the book? This is a question form. Interrogative means what I told, question form, no? See, did he bring the book? Again we have to put the question mark. Next one, we went home. We went home. Here among this sentence, which one is a verb word? Went is a verb word. Next, we went home. No, here what we have to write at first? See here, did in the beginning. No, first we have to write did. D-I-D, did. Next, what we have to write? Did we go home? Did we go home? Again we have to put question mark. At last we have to put the question mark also. Next, C bit. The cat killed the rat. Already here in the negative word also we wrote that sentence, no? Again in interrogative also this word is there. See here, the cat killed the rat. Now killed is the verb form. Here we have to write the first form. Here is the second form is there. In the blank we have to write the first form. See here, the cat killed the rat. What I told at beginning, we have to write the did not write. Did the cat kill the rat? Kill the rat. Again question mark. Did the cat kill the rat? The cat killed the rat. Already kill చేసింది అని రాసాం ఇక్కడ. ఇక్కడ ఏం రాస్తున్నాం మనం, క్వశ్చన్ లాగా అడగాలి కాబట్టి did the cat kill the rat? Okay. Now see the D bit. You went to the market. You went to the market. Went is a verb form. Now we have to write the interrogative. Interrogative will start from the did word. Did you go to the market? At last question mark. Did you go to the market? See here, he brought the book. Did he bring the book? B bit. We went home. Did we go home? The cat killed the rat. Next, the cat. Did the cat kill the rat? You went to the market. Did you go to the market? These are the question formings. Okay.
Okay children, must and should complete your textbook grammar and send to my WhatsApp number. Thank you. See you in the next class. God bless you children.